Most people think pelvic muscles only matter when something goes wrong. Back pain, weak core, poor posture, low confidence. But what if I told you one hidden muscle group controls all of that? Your pelvic muscles are the foundation of your body. When they're weak, everything above them suffers. When they're strong, your body feels lighter, more stable, and more powerful. This is not about age, gender, or fitness level. This is about control, balance, and long-term health. Today, I'm giving you a 1-week pelvic muscle challenge. No equipment. Beginner-friendly, just consistency. And before we start, I want to ask you something. Comment below and tell me, which country are you watching from? I read every comment, and I love seeing how global this community is. Now let me tell you a quick story. A lot of people I talk to train abs, legs, arms, but ignore the center of the body. They wonder why progress feels slow, why movements feel unstable. The missing link is always the same: pelvic strength. Let's fix that, starting today. How this 1-week challenge works. You'll do these exercises once a day for 7 days. Move slowly, breathe deeply, focus on control, not speed. If you feel muscles waking up that you never noticed before, that's a good sign. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Child pose. Child pose looks simple, but it's powerful when done with intention. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward. Relax your spine and breathe deeply. As you inhale, feel the pelvic area expand. As you exhale, gently engage the pelvic muscles and core. Exercise 2. Butterfly stretch. This exercise reconnects your hips, inner thighs, and pelvic floor. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees drop outward. Hold your feet and gently press knees down. Maintain an upright posture while engaging your core and pelvic muscles with slow, controlled breathing. Exercise 3. Lying hover leg. Clap. This movement challenges control and deep muscle activation. Lie on your back with legs lifted slightly off the ground. Keep your lower back pressed down. Open and close your legs in a controlled clapping motion. Engage pelvic muscles to stabilize your hips and prevent lower back strain. Exercise 4. Lying bent legs ace. This builds pelvic strength without stressing the spine. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift one bent leg at a time while keeping the pelvis stable. Focus on slow movement. Engage your pelvic floor before lifting and gently relax it as you lower the leg. Exercise 5. Glutes march. Strong glutes support strong pelvic muscles. Lie on your back with knees bent and hips lifted into a bridge. Alternately lift one foot at a time, like marching. Keep hips steady. This activates glutes, core, and pelvic muscles together for better stability and coordination. Exercise 6. Plank sidewalk. This is where strength meets control. Start in a plank position. Step one hand and foot sideways, then follow with the other side. Move slowly and stay low. Keep your core tight and pelvic muscles engaged to prevent sagging or twisting. Why this challenge works. These exercises don't just train muscles, they train awareness. You're teaching your body how to move as one unit. After 1 week, most people notice better core control, improved posture, more stability in daily movement, a stronger mind-body connection. And the best part? This strength carries over into everything: walking, lifting, workouts, and daily life. I want you to treat this week as a promise to yourself. 7 days, a few minutes a day, no excuses. No perfection, just effort. If you stay consistent, your body will thank you quietly but powerfully. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple, effective exercises that actually work. Now tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? And are you joining the 1-week challenge? Let's build strength from the inside out.